Don't know really what I'm doing, but this is my glam look. So let's just get started, guys.
5 more hours, we're just getting started.
I don't really have the foundation to match me, so I take this contour stick and I just put it all over my face. Don't judge. I know Ada's judging behind the camera.
Oh yeah.
And then I applied the foundation to match it, to not make it so dark. I know, it looks really crazy right now, but I'm gonna fix it right now. And then I take this shitty ass brush, just blend it out down the neck. See, it kind of like matches me. But I gotta go shopping, forgot to go shopping. So, we're just gonna fast forward this. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, make this quick. Wait till the eyebrows. That's why I went first, so I don't have to be so long in the end. Alright, then. It kind of matches, kind of doesn't, because I didn't go shopping for a new one.
Yeah, I got mail.
My hoodie! Oh my gosh, shout out BeverlyHillsBrat.com, whatever. Just hold on, guys.
Detour.
I've been waiting for this for 2 weeks. Hold on. Oh my god, shout out brands came fresh and oh my god, my hoodie came in finally. Oh my god, we'll link her down below.
It did.
Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute. Look, it says spoiled.
Oh lord.
And then it says Beverly Hills, California on the front.
Wait, let me
Isn't
zoom
that
in.
cute as fuck?
Yes, Vic.
Oh my god, beauty store / haul.
Yes.
Oh my god, it came in. It's so cute. Okay, let's get back to this.
We're the worst.
Okay, now we're just gonna start blending again. We blend that bitch out. Okay, next we're gonna do. Sorry, I keep looking at Adriana because she's so beautiful to me.
Aww.
The HD Lifting Concealer. We're just gonna put this all under your eyes. Like that. Right? Okay. And then, I love how he announces my name to get that hoodie. Okay, then
It doesn't look
cover
bad
these
on-
pimples that Ala gave me yesterday.
Sorry.
It's okay. I'm just kidding. And then I just dab it in.
Dab that bitch. Dab, 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 dab,
Dab,
dab.
dab, 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 dab. And then so I just cover like the eye veins and stuff, so like it's easier to do eyeshadow. And then I know I look pretty fucking weird. Okay. Me and Ada have this thing that we're like not supposed to swear, but we swear anyway. But it doesn't matter, because we decided to swear in our channel. Because it's too hard to still bleep it out. We're that lazy. I'm just kidding. Okay. After we're done concealing, then we're just gonna bake our face with this powder. And then we just like dab it in with this shitty ass brush. And then I just like dab it to places I need to go. Like that. Alright. And then we're just gonna wait for that to set. And then I'm just gonna go in to do my eyebrows really quickly. Just do this because I got them I just got my eyebrows done, and then it's kind of easy to do them now. So I'm just gonna literally just do them and just say fuck it. Look how easy that is. It's so easy to get them done, and then just to do them.
Describe what you're doing.
I'm just like underlining the bottom. So what I do is just go under the bottom, line it up. Just to sum it up, I'm lining up my shape, doing the top, and just filling in the front of it. So it gives like an ombre effect. No
What kind of product do you use?
This is NYX Dip Brow. And it's in the color Espresso. Espresso. Oh, that's a little hard to line. Oh. My brother watching, I was like, what is she doing? See? Was I underlined the bottom and the top to find the shape of my eyebrow. So I could like see where the hairs grow. This made no sense. And then what I'm going to do next is a very crucial part. Not this part, but this is gonna brush out your eyebrows. You gotta brush it out so there's no lining between like where you drew your eyebrows in, so people don't call you and jog in eyebrow bitch. And you take the concealer, you dip it into the brush, and then you underline the bottom of your eyebrows so it gives you a nice clean line. So you just kind of go like that, and I'm just gonna like blend it out after, but I'm gonna just shape the top real quick. So it kind of goes like that, and then you just blend the bottom so it doesn't give you harsh lines. And I just kind of do it like that.
Hit that.
Good. Have fun with it, girl. Now that took forever. Now we're just gonna, we're gonna clean off of it, the powder. My grammar is so bad in this video, guys. Don't mind it. Okay. Like that. And just clean it off so it's nicely. I'm not gonna contour, we're just gonna bronze.
What kind of cheek motion are you doing?
Like circular. And then we're just gonna do like what's it called, Too Faced bronzer, and it smells like chocolate. So this is a really good bronzer if you just want to be bronzed up real quick. Because go again on the sides just to get that effect. Sorry. And then I just do my nose a little bit because I really like my nose, so I don't really want to make that bitch dark. Okay, we're gonna do highlight real quick. Hold on. I'm just gonna go like that. I'm just gonna use setting powder, and we're just gonna dab it so it doesn't give you that weird like effect of like dots. And then we're just gonna go in with highlight. We use that Anastasia. It's a little dirty. Hold on. I used it a lot. And then we're just gonna use like the fuck light and the gold. You guys already saw. Okay, and then we're just gonna go in from right here to down. I don't know how to explain it. Like that, and then we're just gonna go one time up like that, so it gives you like the highlight effect. And we're just gonna use it on here, a little bit on our forehead, on our nose, Cupid's bow, and our chin, like that. And I'm just gonna go one more time. Okay, like that. You see?
Mhm.
Okay, cute. Move on to our eyeshadow. So we're just gonna fix that concealer we just put on there. We're gonna use our James palette. Okay, guys. And
We love Sister James, don't we?
we love it. Okay. These are the palette colors.
There's a lot.
I know I'm a fake fan. Don't really know the names of it, but this color right here, and it's like really like nude and peachy.
Mhm.
And we're just gonna use it as our base tone right here. Okay. Like that. So it's like really nude. So then we're just gonna go in with this color right here, and it's like this really like pink purple shade, but mostly pink. And then we're gonna go into the crease color right here and just go like that. Okay. And then we're just gonna blend that out. And then we're gonna go in with this shade right here. It's like orange brown. And we're just gonna add a little darkness to the ends right here. So it gives it like a nice like, I gotta blend it out first. So I just put it everywhere in my eye. Like that, guys. Yeah. Cute. Okay, let me do the other side too. Money shot. Okay, since we finished those two eyes, we're just gonna go in with one right here. Like that. Blow it. Keep adding darker shades to the ends, like the crease. That's what I kind of like doing. And I like doing like circular motions. Okay, and then next we're gonna do, I call it the cut crease, but it's not really like cut crease because I don't really know how to do it, but I try to. So we're just gonna finish up this. And then we're just gonna add that same color, what we just used, to the bottom. Okay, see? I did that to the bottom. So it connects and makes it nice. And next we're gonna use concealer on top of our eyes right here. And we're gonna go like this. I can't really do it, but see, it gets on your lid, right? So it finds your like lid. And we're gonna take that concealer brush and we're gonna use it like, well, there's some background music for you guys. Okay, so you got the concealer on, and now we're gonna take a black flat brush. We're gonna take the gold shades up in this palette right here and just pack it on right here. I like his eyeshadow palette because it's like nice and like, I don't know, it's like nice and like
Pigmented, yeah.
So like, and there's barely fallout. And see, I barely even like use a lot of color. See, got a little bit up there. And then next we're gonna brush the excess off like that. This, and we're gonna glue the other one in fast motion.
I'm gonna show them how to glue.
Okay, we're just gonna glue it right here. Perfect. Like that. We're gonna glue the lashes on. Just glue. Okay. Okay, like that, guys. We're gonna go in with the lip plumper. So we're gonna take it out. It's like this nude lip plumper. And you go like that. And there's your makeup look.